name is Hannah Sue, and today I'm going to be introducing you to two tools built right into your computer: text to speech, which also known as read aloud, and speech to text, and you might know that as dictation. So we're going to go ahead and get started with text to speech, which turns your computer into a personal narrator. So if you are using Microsoft Word, you're just going to go ahead and click the review tab right here at the top. And you'll notice on the left-hand side there is a read aloud button. And so as soon as I click that button, you're going to watch how the computer highlights each word as it speaks to you.
Text to speech. Read aloud. To use the text to speech feature in Microsoft Word, you can activate it directly from the ribbon menu.
Okay, and so right here on the right-hand side, I can push pause and push play, fast forward, slow down, and I can click this gear icon if I want to adjust my reading speed. So I can make it slower or make it faster, and so you can do that however you prefer. All right. And so an example of using this tool is someone, maybe think of a student with a severe intellectual disability or dyslexia who might read at a lower level but needs to learn 11th grade literature. Okay, so instead of maybe giving up or feeling left behind, Read Aloud allows the text to be completely read directly to them. And so the next one I'm going to show you is the speech to text. And so this tool allows you to speak out loud while your computer does all the typing for you in real time. And so step one, you're going to go back to the home menu. And on the right hand side, you're going to notice that there is a dictate button indicated by the little microphone. And so when I click that button, you're going to hear a little sound, clicking sound, and a little red recording light will pop up. And so once that does, you just go ahead and start talking. So I'm going to do that now. So as I am talking, I'm going to see the words pop up on my screen. And so if I want to add punctuation, you're just going to say the word out loud. So for example, if I want to say period, I just say period. If I want to say exclamation point, I just say exclamation point. And so I'll give that example as well. Thank you, exclamation point. And so you can see that it capitalizes the word sentence for me and adds a punctuation at the end of my sentence. And so this tool can be useful for a student who has maybe cerebral palsy and cannot physically type or hold a pencil, but can verbally dictate their answers during an exam, for example. Okay, so this tool basically helps remove the physical barrier of writing so that they can share their ideas with their teacher and or their classmates. And so I hope this video helps you in your next assignment. Thank you for watching.